Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Montana, extreme southwestern North Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, northeastern Nebraska, most of South Dakota, and west central Minnesota. Cities in today's slight risks include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Gillette, Wyoming, Watertown, South Dakota, and Wilmar, Minnesota. There's a marginal today covering parts of Wyoming, parts of Montana, southern North Dakota, northern and far southeastern South Dakota, northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, north central Oklahoma, northwestern Missouri, most of Iowa, west central Wisconsin, and parts of Minnesota. Cities in today's marginals include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Now for today's tornado threat, there are two areas where we have a 2% chance for isolated tornadoes today. One covering extreme southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, far northwestern Nebraska, and parts of South Dakota. And a second 2% tornado risk today covers southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, and southwestern Iowa. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk areas today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Rapid City, South Dakota, Council Bluffs, Iowa, and Bellevue, Nebraska. Going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, extreme southwestern North Dakota, far north central Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, and southwestern Minnesota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Gillette, Wyoming, Watertown, South Dakota, Brookings, South Dakota, and Mitchell, South Dakota. There's a 5% wind risk today covering parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, southwestern and far southeastern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, north central Oklahoma, northwestern Missouri, most of Iowa, west central Wisconsin, and most of Minnesota. The 5% wind risk area for today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. And now for the hail threat, there is a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, extreme southwestern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, and west central Minnesota. The 15% hail risk area today includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Gillette, Wyoming, Watertown, South Dakota, and Wilmar, Minnesota. And we have a 5% hail risk today covering parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, southern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, north central Oklahoma, and parts of Minnesota. The 5% hail risk area today includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, St. Paul, Minnesota, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to an inch, really. Areas outside outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to an inch and a half in diameter hail. Alright? Hitting the black dashed area today include Rapid City, South Dakota, Gillette, Wyoming, Pierre, South Dakota, Spearfish, South Dakota, and Rapid Valley, South Dakota. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms capable of large to very large hail and damaging winds are possible today from parts of the northern high plains, across northern Nebraska, and much of South Dakota. More isolated occurrences of large hail and damaging winds appear possible farther south across portions of the Central Plains. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in your affected areas today. Stay safe in your affected areas today. Alright? Yes, even if you're only in a marginal case, you never know what marginal can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight. Especially be safe in the slight because you never know what slight can pull off sometimes too. And that will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.